Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to lower your CPU cycles by disabling drivers within Windows. This will give you increased FPS and lower latency. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, as I will be posting more videos like this on Mondays 5 p.m. East. So the first thing we're going to do is join my Discord server, which will be linked in the description below. Once you're in there, you want to go over to the tweaking channel and then go over to pinned messages. In here you'll see my disabled drivers guide right here. You'll want to click on it and this will take you to my guide. So one thing I want to let you guys know is I put a really big disclaimer in red text right here. This basically means that disabling drivers can cause system instability and it's really risky. You can brick your OS and cause issues within it, and also risk getting rid of some compatibility. So please be careful when you're doing this guide, because you might be able to not boot again, and if so, there are ways to restore, but it's really complicated and I'm not showing you into this video. So this is a really advanced guide. Make sure you do it with your own caution. And yeah, so like I said, I'm not responsible if anything were to happen, but basically to use this guide you want to click your Windows key R, type regedit in here, and then in here you want to make your way over to HKey local machine, system, current control set, and services. In here you will look for every single driver that you want to disable. So say right here I want to disable 13940HCI. I'll look for it in here, and then I'll look for the start value. Basically, if the start value is on 0, that means this driver is going to start up on boot. If it's on 1, then it has the kernel value. If it's on 2, it has the automatic value, meaning it's just going to start automatically. 3, it means manual, meaning it's only going to start when it needs to start. And 4 is just it's being completely disabled. So in here, so if I want to disable this, I'll type 4 right here, click OK, and that's it. Now I'll go through the list and do this. For this little top section right here, this should be safe. You'll have a lot more safer drivers here to disable. Like I said, don't mass apply them, do them in groups, because you don't want to brick your OS. And if something does cause an issue, you want to be able to know what it is. So after you switch a driver off, just restart your PC and see if everything's okay, and then continue. It's a really long process, but it does yield benefits. Down here on the guide also, you have more riskier drivers that I haven't tested yet. If you see like any parentheses right here, this basically just has like certain conditions for this driver. So right here, you wouldn't disable these drivers if you use Bluetooth. You wouldn't disable the Q-Wave driver either if you use monitor sound. But if you don't use monitor sound, then you could just highlight it, go up here, put a backslash, or if it's already in this directory, paste the driver in, go over to it, change the start value to 4, and then you're perfectly fine. You disabled it. But that's basically how you would use this guide to disable these drivers. So this is a benchmark after following the guide. One thing to keep in mind is that all PCs are different, so your results may not be like this. Another thing is that certain OSs also require certain drivers, so this person couldn't disable all the drivers that I put on a list. So it's really important to make sure you follow it properly and know how to restore in case you were to break anything. But in here you can see that the average FPS and 1% low FPS all increased, meaning that this person's gameplay became a lot more smoother with better frame times and lower latency at the end of it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, as I will be posting more videos like this on Mondays 5 p.m. East. If you have any content suggestions, just let me know in my Discord server, which will be linked below. But yeah, see you in the next one.